Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Get Your Guide Travel Tours booking site. So you might be wondering, what is the Get Your Guide Travel Tours booking site that you may be hearing online and how to exactly use this? So first, what is Get Your Guide? So Get Your Guide is an online marketplace for booking tours, activities, and attraction tickets worldwide. Now, founded in 2009 and headquartered in Berlin, it connects travelers with local tour operators and activity providers rather than running the tours itself, listing over 150,000 experiences across roughly 12,000 cities, offering span skip the line museum and landmark tickets, walking tours, food and drink tours, classes and workshops, outdoor and adventure activities, and Get Your Guide originals. Now, tours designed directly by the platform. Now, how do you exactly start using this? Well, in this case, you first need to search or start by searching or by typing the city, country, or specific attraction into the search bar on the website or app here. Then narrow down results using filters and sorting options. Now, each activity here or activity page includes details like inclusions, meeting point, and duration, and an important information section covering what to bring, what's not allowed, and who the activity may not be suitable for, like age limits or something like that, like health conditions and accessibility notes. Now, worth reviewing before booking here. So, reviews are limited to customers who actually complete the booked activity. After selecting a date here and any available options, add the activity to your cart and basically complete checkout using the credit or debit card that you have. Now, most bookings confirm instantly. A confirmation email and mobile ticket or voucher are issued, also accessible through the Get Your Guide app. So many activities can be checked in using just the phone voucher with no printing required, though the platform will note it clearly if a physical ticket is needed for a specific activity. So many bookings include free cancellation up to 24 hours before the start time for a full refund. Now, some listings offer a reserve now, pay later option that secure a spot without immediate payment. Now, on the pricing side here, prices are set individually by each tour operator per activity rather than a flat platform fee here. And Get Your Guide's revenue comes from a commission built into that price, so commonly cited in the 20 to 30% range rather than a separate charge to the traveler. Now, costs vary significantly by destination, so in this case by activity type and group size as well. So checking the specific activity page for current pricing is the way to see the exact cost before booking here. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.